I can see Yatish. You see him? See there, he's following that Scorpio. There one stone which just fell. Bloody hell, I'm standing right underneath it. Our instructions are to walk straight up and back. Hello people, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. Yatish, say good morning.
Hey, good morning guys.
Good morning from Srinagar. And as always, a messy room here. You see? It's not big, it's a little small for us with the luggage we have, and Yatish is going to show you the view from here.
Yeah. Follow me guys, follow me. Surprise review.
Okay, rolling. So, see the view. So, what you see out there is Dal Lake. Early morning view of Dal Lake. It's 7:14. Now we're headed towards Shankaracharya temple that was suggested by Yatish's dad. He said it's a very good place, and we went and inquired last evening. They said it was closed. It's right by our hotel from about 1 kilometer from here, not even a kilometer,
Yeah.
half a kilometer from here. And from there, there's an army checkpost where you have to go further by
4.5 kilometers.
4.5 kilometers. My helmet. 4.5 or 5.5 kilometers, something like that. So let's go there. And yeah, we paid 2,000 rupees for this room. So we just entered the checkpost. There's nothing much. Generally, you just need to give your name, your license number, vehicle number, and where you're coming from. And you're off. You start climbing up the hill towards the temple. I have no idea what this is, but this is what I found for breakfast now. You want to try?
Nope.
It's some roti that is roasted and kept. We went in search of breakfast, only aloo paratha was available. So before that I found this, so I thought we'll have this today. I don't know the name. Did you ask the name?
Roti, he said roti.
He said roti. No, there's salt, roasted. This is Kashmiri bread. It's nice, it's tasty. Okay, why am I holding the camera? I'm in the room. We have a table in front. Let's use that. Yes. It's nice. It's quite hard. Chewy. I think this will keep me going for some time. And we just spoke to the guy at the hotel, and he said he is the one who told me this is Kashmiri bread and this is good for health. Try the local stuff.
They will be going to Sonmarg.
You have to pack. The room is still a mess. Half packed. Yeah. Almost ready. In about 30 minutes we leave. After I finish this roti. Kashmiri bread. Kashmiri bread, no?
That's
Yeah.
what he said.
That's what he said. The shop guy said it's roti. He told it's Kashmiri bread. So we're ready to roll to Ladakh. It's hot. It's boiling here. It was fine when we went to Shankaracharya temple in the morning. Now it's quite hot. Fuel ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಾ? ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. And we're off. Bye bye Dal Lake. Bye bye to Srinagar as well. Wow. Look at that. I think you'll have a glare because the sun is right at the lens. And there are a few there as well. Huh. एक सेकेंड. हाँ
के 350 है
वो 350 या 500.
ये जैसे ये वो है बुलेट.
हाँ बुलेट 104.75 हो गया बस. करेक्ट 800. बस
और जाएगा
नहीं भैया काफ़ी है. काट दे देंगे. नहीं वो लीक हो जाता है. साइड स्टैंड लगाऊंगा ना. गाड़ी जब उतरता है ना साइड स्टैंड लगाता है ना बाहर आ जाता है पेट्रोल. Now we will be finding a lot of bikers on the road. Here a lot of mixed type of people here. People are very friendly at times, people are very rude at times. Find a lot of people cycling here in Srinagar, especially around the lake. From here on we'll be having a lot of checkings, police intercepting us, military intercepting us. I don't know where, which checkpost and all that. I'll try to tell you. We have 420 kilometers until we reach Leh, so let's do it. Manjit bhai, milenge. That's Devils on Wheels. Their group was here, so we met Manjit, who was there along with us the previous time as well. They have about 5 bikes here and 35 in Leh. So it was nice. We met him. I couldn't make a video, so the main reason is we were stopped at the checkpost. We always stopped, saying that you need to show bookings in Leh or anywhere further from here, either in Sonmarg or Kargil, or I mean not in Kargil, either in Sonmarg or in Leh. And later the officer came and told us that you can move ahead. Hey, iro ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ, ಅವನು ಆಲ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ರೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಸೈಕಲಲ್ಲಿ, ಹಿಂದೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಹಾಂ, ಆಲ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ എവിടെ കേരളത്തെ? മലയാളമേ? പത്തനംതിട്ട. എപ്പോഴാ ഇറങ്ങിയ? 64ാമത്തെ ദിവസം. So it's 64 days he's on the cycle. ഹിപ്പി യോഗി അല്ലേ? ഞാൻ നോക്കട്ടെ, ഞാൻ ചെക്ക് ചെയ്യാം. ശരി എന്നാ, ഹാപ്പി. ഇതാ ബാക്ക് സൈഡിലുണ്ട് സ്റ്റിക്കർ. ശരി എന്നാ, റൈറ്റ് സേഫ്. So these two guys are from Kerala. They're doing from Kerala to Kashmir on cycle. It is 64 days. Oh my goodness. Hey, our Kerala to Kashmir ಮಾಡ್ತಾರದು ರೈಡು 64 days. ಹುಡುಗ 64 days it's been there on the road. Yeah, this is the 64th day for them. So Leh is 395, Kargil is 169, Dras is 112. The Devils on Wheels group in action. Let's go. We won't be going so slow because they are stopping at Sonmarg. We'll be going. Oh, okay. We have another checkpost coming up. I hope you guys remember this vehicle. If you've seen this vehicle, if you've seen my Spiti vlogs, you would have seen this vehicle for sure. Ba, Petru ba. A lot of confusion here. Normally you don't need a booking to go to Leh. You can ride to Leh. We never have bookings. If we have any delays, we'll just make sure we stop at a safe place and check in wherever we find a place. So we don't make bookings during our travel. We don't have a fixed destination, you know. Only when it's necessary like this. Last time in Meghalaya also we had this issue. So at the checkpost we had to make bookings. They just want a hotel booking there. They want to know where you're going. Show them the confirmation and you're off. That's what he was asking for, and later they sent us all. They're like, okay, you can move. Thank you. Chalo anda. So now we're entering Sonmarg. I'll have to overtake so many vehicles now again. Every time we stop for a picture, all these military convoy vehicles come up front. This is something very common here. You just have to get used to it now. Oh, na. You are entering the Golden Meadow, courtesy J&K Tourism. This is the Golden Meadow. Wow, look at the view on the right, dude. My goodness. Whew. You look up, the road is bad and you will run into potholes. So this is Sonamarg, but we won't be exploring Sonamarg. We'll be going ahead. This valley is filled with people. If you get an aerial shot of this place, you can actually see the number of cars here. Hello, ja, kanasta idya ba? Ella adda. And in ಮೇಲೆ ತಲೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದೀನಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ. I'm right above you. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ? I can see Yatish. You see him? See there, he's following that Scorpio. White car and lot of trucks ahead of you, dude. But there are no vehicles coming you can overtake. You have to. It's a U-turn. Hairpin bend barutte. Take the hairpin bend from inside because the trucks will go outside. There are no vehicles you can come. This is the add-on part with the Senna. I can guide him when I am ahead. Zozila Tiger Shiva Mandir. Okay. It's closed. It's under maintenance. Look at the dust. Oh, yay. Cars are flying here. Dust bath, dude. Dust baths. How about you? What is happening down there? Hello. We are back to our favorite place. Water crossings and ice by the highways. Okay. We have traffic here. In Sachpash, we didn't have any vehicle movement there. But here we can go right next to this. We'll do the water crossing now. Oi! There was one stone which just fell. Bloody hell, I'm standing right underneath it. Dude, come fast! Stone that falling from top. Naturally formed shapes. Babre. I have weight on my shoulder, dude. It's hurting now. And that 1.5 liter of water and whatever snacks we bought is all in this bag. I didn't know where to keep it, so last moment I packed it in the backpack. Now I can feel the weight on my shoulder. It is pulling me down. Already the battery is draining fast. The card is getting full. There is so much content, so much of memory to collect. Wow. What is this? Where are we? Some board is there. Let's see. Road closed. Okay, nice board. Bye. What is that called? They have a contraption which you can sit on and they'll drag you up all there. You need to walk up with them, and from the top you can slide down. So I don't know the name here. I forgot. I'm sorry, but there it is. That's what's happening there. Do you want to stop? K05 Bangalore.
Yeah. Ilinda.
Bangalore Old Airport Road. ಬಸವನಗುಡಿ ಆರ್ ಆರ್ ನಗರ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತೆ ಲೇ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಸೋಲೋ. Hold on, sir. Return to Bangalore, huh?
वापस तो श्रीनगर Srinagar, Chandigarh, Jaipur.
Oh, same. Good. Okay. Riding to Bangalore all the way.
All the way to Bangalore.
Good. Safe ride, sir.
Okay, very good. You too.
Yeah.
ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ರಾ ಇದು ಪ್ಯಾಂಗಾಂಗ್ ಲೇಕಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ರಾ
Everything, all the routes.
ಪ್ಯಾಂಗಾಂಗ್ ಲೇಕು ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ರೋಡ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ
That is normal. Yeah, we'll see slowly.
ಓಕೆ ಎಂಜಾಯ್
Fine, sir.
Take care, right?
See you. Hey! Someone's dropped biscuits here and the sheep have come to eat that. Not biscuits, sorry, it's corn. Sorry. It's corn. This is the Zozilla War Memorial in Dras. There is a temple on top as well. I get time to stop by all these places when Yatish is back. So this is the time when I used to, what do you say, wait for him to catch up and show you guys all this. Show the seal, dude, show me the seal. See that? That's our entry pass.
ಇದಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕೊಡು ಅದಲ್ವಾ
ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೋ ಕೈಗೆ ಅದೇ.
ಫೈನಲಿ.
So what happened here is we came here, we showed our RT-PCR report to a lady who just walked across us. So she took the RT-PCR report. I mean, the person came, checked the RT-PCR report, and the senior officer wrote on Yatish's hand for two of us, two lay, and we had to go to a counter back there behind the checkpost, get it sealed. So he is my permit now.
Without me, you cannot enter lay. Mind it.
You're joking, dude, you're joking. Your jokes are nice at times. It's very simple, you don't have to worry much. And AGB, we have to do the same thing. This is Kargil district. There is two here. This is Kargil district, and then next in Ladakh district we'll have to do one. That is in Kalsar, no?
Huh?
Yeah, in Kalsar is there, right? Yeah, Kalsar. Thank you. Welcome. We are at Kargil now. पीछे आ रहा, फ्रेंड आ रहा है उसके साथ में. हाँ, दोस्त के साथ है वो. हाँ, पीछे आ रहा. हाँ. हेलो, वेयर आर यू? हाथ दिखाओ भाई, उनको जाके हाथ दिखाओ. तेरा हाथ में मेरा पास है. ग्लव्स खोलो, हाथ पे सील दिखाओ और गया. हे ತೋರಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗು. ಹಾಂ, ಬಾ ಹಿಂಗೆ. ಹಾಂ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹಾರ್ನ್ ನೋಡಿ. ಹಾಂ, ಒಂದು ಕೈ ದೋ ಮುಂದೆ ಬಂದು ಹಾಕೋ, ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. हो गया. ನಂಬರ್ लिखा नहीं लिखा. ನಂಬರ್ ಬರ್ಸ್ತಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ लिखा ಅಂದ. ठीक है, चलो. ಗಾಡಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ರೈಟಲ್ಲಿ. So we've entered Kargil district. Checking really simple, it's clean, fast. It hardly took us 10 minutes, not even 10 minutes actually. It took us time to get into our helmet and start the bike. Otherwise it was really quick. When you come prepared, there's no issues. So we got our test done in Chandigarh on the 14th. Today is the 18th of July, and today night is the expiry date of our RT-PCR report according to their rules. That is 96 hours validity. We are on time and we are moving ahead. We're not sure how long this process is going to last for. As long as COVID is there, this is going to be there. This process won't die until then, I guess. They might be making a few changes every now and then, but make sure you stay updated and then travel to Leh. Ride update. Time is 1:30. We just crossed the Kargil checkpost. Done with our RT-PCR as I told you earlier. We stopped here for lunch. We don't know where we're going to get anything ahead. So didn't want to take any chance. We didn't have proper breakfast today as well. So we've ordered roti and rajma. We'll have roti, rajma, little rice and tule. We have a white Busa. That's the brand new 2021 Busa right up in front of us. Wow, that's a nice bike, man. Lovely bike. Second coldest inhabited place in the world. Temperature is on -60 degrees on the 9th of Jan 1995. Wow. Why don't we get a picture with that? Oh. Just imagine -60 degrees. Oof. Just waiting for Yatish. As always, Kargil War Memorial is about 2 kilometers from here. I just saw the board behind and I came across this one here. So I stopped for a picture. So you guys want to see all the pictures from my road trip? Do follow me on Instagram. The ID is on the screen and the link is in the description. That's a lovely Busa, white Busa. Parts of these places were all war zones during the Kargil war. So I'm just going to show you guys whatever I find and wherever I stop and whatever info I have. I'll share that with you. Details regarding the Kargil War Memorial and our instructions are to walk straight up and back. I'll show you the place. We'll talk later about it. We are actually lucky that it's open now. Previously all those who came, they couldn't enter. They just had to walk away from the gate or just get in the gate and get a picture clicked. We're not allowed to go to any of the sides. There is this hut of remembrance and then an audio visual something. What is that? AV room? Yeah, that is also closed. So you see that Snow Cape mountain there. I don't think it's possible to zoom in and capture that with a GoPro, but that's Tiger Hill. That is Tiger Hill there, the Snow Cape mountain. The souvenir shop is closed due to COVID reasons. The AV room is also closed. It's just open a week ago is what we were told. So we're going back. Let's exit and continue the journey forward. So here's the gate. We didn't record this while going in because I didn't know if we had permission to do so. So I'm doing it now while exiting. There's no entry fee and all that. You just walk in. If you're using a camera like a GoPro as well, you need to pay 50 rupees in the box. Write your name, details, put it in the box and just go. Due to COVID restrictions, there are a lot of things which are not open. You're not allowed to go towards the sides as well. You just need to go straight in and straight out. This is the parking area assigned for the Kargil War Memorial visitors. You paid how much for 2 bikes?
40 rupees.
40 rupees, 20 rupees for the bike. You can't wear shorts, you need to wear full pants, and you can't wear slippers, you need to wear shoe while visiting this place. Keep that in mind when you come. Commemorating 22 golden years of victory of Indian Armed Forces in Operation Vijay.